Well, hello there. My name is Louis Etienne, and this is my entry for CS50's final project. I built a clickbot for the video game Dofus 3, which is a MMORPG that I used to play way too much when I was a kid, but now that I know how to use a computer, I can get rich without wasting my time. The bot can follow a path and gather resources along the way, and when the inventory is full, it goes back to the bank to empty it. It can also handle easy fights because from time to time it will get attacked by a monster. Okay, so here's the app. As you can see, I went for a very basic look. Everything's in French, so I will explain what every button does. If you click right here, you open a sub-app where you can draw a path that you want your bot to follow. Then you can save it or load an existing path to modify it. If it's the first time that you're using a character, you need to create a name tag. What you do is you go back into the game, you press P so that the name tag appears, and then you go back inside the app, you press on that button, and what you do is you're gonna cut out a zone around the name tag, enter the name of your character, and what that does is that it creates a template for the name tag so that the program is able to follow the movements of the character. Then you go back inside the app and you can select the zone, you can select the path, the name of your character, as well as the names of the resources you want to pick up, and launch the script. Now if I go back inside the game and press the N key, the magic happens. While the bot is running, I'll give some details about the tricks I used. The first one is template matching. So if you compute the correlation between a template and a bigger image, then you can find the instances of that template inside that image. I use this to know whether I can collect a resource and also to find my position as well as the monster's position during a fight. To access the resource positions, I made a SQL database using a helper app that you're seeing a demonstration of right now. I simply click on the resource positions and add them to the database. To locate the bot, I need to retrieve the coordinates in the top left-hand corner of the screen. So I take a screenshot and I play around with the HSV value to make it black on white text. And then I run this through Google's open source optical character recognition algorithm to get the coordinates. And last but not least, I need to know where my character can move during a fight, as indicated with green tiles by the game. So I took a bunch of screenshots around my character and I trained a small convolutional neural network to recognize those green tiles. And that's it. My character can close in on the monster, attack it twice, and pass the turn. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this project, and have a nice day.